Hello friends and welcome back to Learn Visual Studio. So in our last tutorial we have seen or we have learned about the text editor, and in this tutorial we will learn about find window. So the find or search feature is associated with couple of windows. So first one is find window, and if you want to look or see the results of this find related stuff, the windows are find results. So these two windows are associated with the find or search feature. So you might be aware of search or find feature in other editor applications like Notepad and other applications. Similarly, we have search or find feature into Visual Studio as well. So we will look at what all features, options that provides us by the Visual Studio to search words. So we have find window open. So what are the find options? So you can do a match case. In match case means the search that you're looking for a word will be case sensitive. Match whole word is like if you're looking for a caps word and you want the exact word, not as a part of any other word, so you can click on this checkbox. Then regular expression. To use the regular expression, you have to be good at regular expression and you can make use of it very efficiently. The next options are result options. So here we can see where we want to see the results, whether you can select find window 1 or find window 2. That will list down all your results into the respective windows. Then append the results, whether you want to clear the previous results and then store the new results into the window, or you can just use append result checkbox to append the result to the previous one. So here we can see we have first searched for a particular word, we got the result, then we don't want to clear the previous result and we want to append new result to this, so we have the second result over here. So you can expand, minimize, make use of it. Then display only file names. So display only file names, the feature is like, so here you can see the file name is listed where this word is present and at which line. The line is also mentioned over here. So if you click on that checkbox, display file names only, it will just list down the file name, not the line, the content of that line. Then it provides what you want to find, where you want to find. Where you want to find is, I believe, very good option. Like whether you want to look into the current document. Say we have opened this document, and if you want to look into this document, then you can select a current document. Or if you want to look into the all the open documents, say all these and this tabbed one, then you can select in all open documents. If you want to look for a particular word into the current project, so say for example we have this file open, this file belongs to this project MFC toolbar. So if you want to look into all the files under this project for a particular word, then you can select current project. Or if you want to look into the entire solution, so it will look for a word, any word, into the all the projects into this solution. So that feature is with entire solution. The another very good feature is you can look for a word into a particular directory as well. So what you have to do is you just click on this button where three dots are placed, Then this will bring this window. Then here you can select directory, then add a directory and say OK, and it will list down that directory over here. Also, it is not only limited to a single directory, but you can include multiple directories as well. So say if you want to look for word into these two directories. So what this means is you want to look for a word in the files which are present in all the directories mentioned here. If you want to include the subfolders as well, you can do that. Then in which type of files you want to search in these folders. So here you can mention whether Visual Studio should look for a word into all the files or text files or whatever you want, cpp.h and all the stuff. So this option works with almost all the looking options except current and open documents, because current and open documents explicitly provides where we have to look. So say if you don't want to list down all the search related output into the window and you just want to go to a particular word, so what we can do is say I want to look for this word. So we'll just type that word and say find next. So find next and find previous, what it will do is just jump to that location. Okay, and bookmark, what it will do is it will just bookmark to all the occurrences of this word. Okay, these are the bookmarks. So we'll just remove that bookmarks. So shortcut is Control KK. Okay. So similar to find feature, we have replace in files. That is pretty much same. What you want to find, what you want to replace, and where you want to replace. Similarly, match case, whole world, regular expression, in which type of files. So as we discussed, if we say current document or all the open documents, this option will be disabled. And if you say current project, then you can specify the file, because in the current project there are different types of files. So if you want to look for a particular cpp only files, not the header files, then you can mention over here. So similarly it works with remaining options. Option result options, as discussed with the find in files, we have similar options. One of the feature related to find or search feature that I mostly use is quick find. Say for that you can press Control I, that will bring up this binocular related cursor. So what it will do is it will consider the current position of your cursor, blinking cursor, and from that position onwards it will try to search whatever I will start typing. So say for example I want to search for this update fonts. So just notice how it starts searching. I i am going to press U, but the cursor is next to U, so it won't consider the previous U for searching option, because you can see it it had jumped to the next position of U, not the previous one. Then we'll continue typing UPDATE. So here you won't find much difference. We'll switch to other file, something more big. Okay, so in this file, say for example, you are looking for new word. So what we'll do is Control I and then NEW. So you might have find the difference. What I'm trying to say is quick find is just helpful in scenario wherein you go on typing and it will just give you the results. One more interesting feature is if you want to look for a particular word into, so say only in this portion. So what you can do is you can select that particular portion or block and say Control F and say you want to search for a new word and you can select current block or sorry current selection. So it will just list down all the occurrences of new word into the selected lines. So all these occurrences are from 159 to 189. So 189 before 189 and after 159. So that's it pretty much about find or search feature in Visual Studio. If you like the tutorial, please click on like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please do write into comments. We'll try to answer as early as possible. Thank you.